Now let us solve this recurrence relation using recursive tree method. T of n equal to 1 if n equal to 1, T of n equal to phi t of n by phi plus Cn if n is greater than 1. Okay. So n value, if n value is 1, then directly the solution is in our hand. So the solution is 1. So only one comparison is required. Whereas if n is greater than 1, then the given array is divided into 5 parts, where each part will contain n by 5 elements. And we require minimum Cn comparisons for merging or for comparing or for combining. So we require minimum Cn comparisons. Okay. So let us solve the problem. So n is given. So here n will be divided into 5 parts, where each part will contain n by 5 elements. So we are dividing the given array into 5 parts, where each part contains n by 5 elements. Okay. So this 5 specifies we are dividing into 5 parts. N by 5 specifies each part will contain n by 5 elements. So how many comparisons are required for merging Cn comparisons? Cn comparisons are required for merging. Next, we have to divide n by 5. So in place of this n, substitute n by 5, just like substitution method. So T of n by 5 equal to, so 5 into T of, in place of n substitute n by 5. So n by 5 by 5 means n by 5 into 5, 25. So 25 can be written as n by 5 square. So how many comparisons are required? C into, in place of n substitute n by 5. So n by 5 comparisons are required. Okay. So this n by 5. So this part will be divided into 5 parts, where each part will contain n by 5 square elements. So this n by 5 is divided into 5 parts, where each part will contain n by 5 square elements. So n by 5 square, n by 5 square, n by 5 square, n by 5 square elements, n by 5 square. So likewise, this n by 5 part will be divided into 5 parts, where each part will contain n by 5 square elements. Okay. For space constraints, I am not writing n by 5 square here. So it will be divided into 5 parts, where each part will contain n by 5 square elements. This n by 5, this is divided into 5 parts, where each part will contain n by 5 square elements. It will be divided into 5 parts, where each part will contain n by 5 square elements. Now let us focus on merging. So how many comparisons are required? For T of n by 5 comparisons are required for merging. So for this n by 5, we require n by 5 comparisons for merging. So totally how many n by 5s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 parts are there. So 5 into n by 5. So 5 will be cancelled. So here the number of comparisons which are required are Cn comparisons are required here also. Okay. Next, let us take this one. Let us take n by 5 square. So in place of n, we have to substitute n by 5 square. In place of n, substitute n by 5 square. N by 5 square. So 5 into T of, in place of n substitute n by 5 square. N by 5 square by 5 means n by 5 cube. N by 5 cube plus how many comparisons are required for merging? In place of n, we have to substitute n by 5 square. Okay. So now let us take this part. So here this part will be divided into 5 parts, where each part will contain n by 5 cube elements. Each part will contain n by 5 cube. So likewise, it will be divided into 5 parts. Each part will contain n by 5 cube elements. It will be divided into 5 parts. It will be divided into 5 parts. It will be divided into 5 parts, where each part will contain n by 5 cube elements. So likewise, it will be divided into 5 parts. It will be divided into 5 parts. Likewise, the process will continue. So here, How many comparisons are required for merging? Cn. So here also Cn. So here also the number of comparisons which are required for merging are Cn. Okay. Now let us see how long this division will continues. Okay. If you see this part, here we have n by 5 cube. If you see this part, here we have n by 5 square. If you see here n by 5, so that can be written as n by 5 power 1. Here we have n, so we can write that as n by 5 power 0. So this series will continues up to n by 5 power k. So how long we can continue this repetition? As long as the base condition, as long it is terminated. So when it will be terminated? When the value is 1. Okay. So we have to equate n by 5 power k to 1. So when n is equal to 1, when n is equal to 1, then we can stop the process. When n equal to 1, we can stop the process. So this series will be continued like n by 5 power k. So we can equate n by 5 power k to this one. Why? Because if n equal to 1, then it is the small problem. So we can stop the division. So n by 5 power k equal to 1. So we can write as n equal to 5 power k. So apply log on both sides. So log n equal to log 5 power k. So we have a formula called log a power m equal to m log a. So k log 5 equal to log n. In order to get k value, let us apply base 5. Log a base a means 1. So we can say that k equal to log n 5. Log n base 5. K equal to log n base 5. Now let us calculate the time complexity or total cost. Here, in order to calculate the total cost, we have to add these comparisons. Here at this level, Cn comparisons are required. At the second level also, Cn comparisons. Next level also, Cn comparisons. So we don't know how many levels are there. So the series will be like this. So on Cn. We don't know how many number of elements are there. So that's why the series will continue like this. Cn plus Cn plus Cn, so on Cn. So it is like, the series is like n plus n, so on n. So the formula for this series is number of terms into n. So number of terms into, here what is n value? Cn. What is n? Cn. So here how many terms are there in this tree? So here the terms can also be called as, in this example, levels. Or in order to calculate the number of terms, we have to calculate the height of this tree. So what is the height of this tree? This k. Why? Because here we have n by 5 power 3, next to n by 5 power 2, 5 power 1, 5 power 0. So that value is nothing but height. So this k is nothing but number of terms or number of levels. So 0th level, first level, second level, the last level is kth level. Okay. So the number of terms or number of levels or height is nothing but k value. So what is k? Log n base 5. So here what is the formula? Number of terms into Cn. So how many terms are there here? K terms are there. So k into Cn. What is k value? K is nothing but height of this tree. So what is k value? Log n. So k means log n. So log n base 5 into c into n. C into n. So we can omit this c. C is nothing but constant. So we can write this as order of n log n. So there is no need to write base 5 here. Order of n log n, that is enough. So after solving this recurrence relation, phi t of n by 5 plus Cn, we are getting the time complexity as order of n log n.